This cordless hand vac is so convenient and works so well. We use it all the time. Has this great charging station. The light shows you that it's charging. It has these additional attachments that store right on the back of the charger. It's amazing how it picks up this cat litter. Super easy. Makes it look like no problem at all, and it leaves none behind. Super clean. And it's really easy to empty. Just push a button. Never have to touch it. Easy one button on and off. Put it back on its charger, and it'll be ready for next time. We love this product.